Hi, foodies! Chef Pete is here today. And what we're going to talk about is Thanksgiving Day week preparation. So, I always like to make a menu, number one. Number two, after I make the menu, I go to the store and shop. Number three, I break up every day and prepare things, starting with Sunday, depending on what it is I've decided from the menu that I want to make. Okay, so I start on Sunday and I make a few things, get them in the fridge. I prepare them so that all I have to do is bake them off. So if it's a lasagna that's ready to go, that's in the fridge. If it's a stuffing, it's ready to go, covered in the fridge. All we have to do is bake these things off, and we will divide it up by day. Sunday, Monday, pies. You can already bake your pies and have them ready to go. And if you have an extra refrigerator, it works really well. If not, you can bake a pie the night before and just cover it and pop it in your fridge, okay? All right, turkeys. You can cook the turkey the day. Most people do. They like to smell up the house when all their folks come over, all their friends come over, all their families come over. And yes, you can do that. However, sometimes it's easier if you're only going to have a turkey or a ham, and it's easier to just cook those the day before, put them in either a lock and lock or something in your refrigerator, cover them, and then all you have to do is slice them, put them in your oven, warm them back up again. Same thing with the yams if you're making yams, or green beans if you're making green beans. You can get everything ready to go. And if you don't have a refrigerator big enough to do preparation ahead, proactive preparation, I like to call it, if you don't have that, then you need to really get up early and get busy, because it does take a lot of work, and it's easier if you map it out, decide what you want to eat. So make your menu. Then number two, go to the store. These are the easiest tips. And so in the next few days, we will be posting more videos with Thanksgiving week help to get you going and get you ready for Thursday, the big day at your house. So this is Peter Carpizos. Watch the videos. I'm making all kinds of stuff and putting it out there. Go to our page and go there to our different lists of videotapes so that you can watch. I've done this all before. I have them all. The playlists are there. Turkey breasts, stuffing making, yam making, everything is there. Just go there to our page, Healing Teach, and YouTube, and you will have it, Carpizzo's Kitchen, so that you guys can get ready and hit the gas. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. You know what? Out.